This 2023 Keystone Bullet East 330 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Keystone is 37 feet 6 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Ashland interior, sleeps 10, Skylight, spare tire kit, stove top burner, LP detector, smoke detector, leveling jacks, Colorado detector, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, oven, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Keystone Bullet East 330 is 7,682 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.